Hey everybody, this is Dr. Cole with Apple Healthcare Group, and our building is almost here. We're looking at it's about 2 months away. That's the thought process. The buildings have connected. We've added on more rooms, more exam tables, more treatment areas to really make it nice for you and to make a bigger home as we add new providers on, additional providers, more services to really just upgrade and just keep up with the science and just bring good care to you. But hey, walk with me inside and let's walk through the building so you can take a little glimpse. All right, hey guys, welcome inside. This is Apple Healthcare Group. We are entering our second entrance into the new addition, and you are now in our second waiting room. And as you pan around, you can see it's larger. We're gonna have televisions, nice furniture. There's a great welcoming desk for our team that makes it easy for you to ask questions, schedule appointments, just be able to kind of navigate the clinic. But it's a pretty large addition. And we added things like more exam rooms and consultation rooms and massage rooms, and we added more bathrooms. Everybody needs more bathrooms, and so we added a few bathrooms in here just to make it easier and people don't have to wait and whatnot. And as you come down, you can see this hall enters into kind of clinical space. So like here we have its own massage room for our massage therapist. We have a lab to where we process lab orders and draw various types of samples and whatnot. Over here to the left, you're going to see this is going to become an infusion room where you can get things like vitamin infusions. And as we go, it opens up into a big therapy area. So this is our second therapy area where there'll be things like bikes and treadmills and exam tables. And then we enter larger procedure rooms. It was probably one of the big things we really wanted to fix was to have more room for patients, our imaging machines, fluoroscopy, ultrasounds, so our providers had more room to work and our patients felt comfortable and they could have loved ones that would be able to come in if they need to. We have a mechanical room, and then we have an inventory room that's much larger for everything you need to operate day-to-day practice. And you can see as it's panning across, you'll see all these open doors. And what's cool about that is as you kind of look down that hall, there's easily another 6 exam rooms that are really spacious that you can do various procedures of. And then we start to do the connected way. So really this isn't 2 buildings, it's really 1 building now, and we're connected via a very, cool hallway that kind of just brings it all together to make Apple Healthcare one larger entity. And now you can see as you look down, you'll see all my team in the other existing building where they're sitting there. This hole will not be a door anymore. It'll be a large kind of archway, so it'll be broad. And so that is a glimpse. We will keep as we're developing more and as our team and our contractors are really making it pop, we'll bring that to you then. Hey, let me show you one more thing. This is kind of for our team, right? This is what it's going to look like for some of my back office business team, with kitchen and conference room. So come on back. And so you can see this is another hallway where we'll have certain storage. But as you look behind me, you'll notice there's like wood on the wall. Well, that's where another area they're going to break through here over the next few days. But as we walk up here, this to your right are going to be some of the business office where some of our team and the people that answer your text or answer your bills, that's some of the places that they'll be. And then as we go over here to the other side, this is one of our conference rooms. And so this conference room where training's going to happen, where we can have meetings to make sure we really ramp up our service and just really bring it just good care to you. Another office is over here to the right. And then as we pair the opposite side, it's a full kitchen that's going to be in here. So there'll be tables. And if you look through all the studs, and you'll see a piece of plywood, that goes out the back door where there'll be a whole patio where our team can eat outside, which is great for their lunch and when they need a break. And then they'll break through here, and you're going to see That clinic on the other side is going to be renovated here pretty soon too. So it just really pops to just bring it to you. So thank you for watching.